So in this Wise app tutorial, I will be showing you how to send money here on Wise. So once Wise is opened up, go to the bottom left and select Home. Then at the top where it says Home, below that in sort of a brighter green, it says Send. Go ahead and select that. Once the send page is opened up, you can then select where you want to send money. So if you want to send it to a recipient, you can go ahead and do that. You can also scroll down and select a country. So for example, if you wanted to send money, let's just say within Canada, I would just press Canada like that. So in this case, it sends in Canadian dollars. You can change that if you want. If you want to change the recipient, you can change the recipient and go from there. But once you're here, you can then send the money. So if I wanted to send $100, I would type in 100. It'll then show you the currency conversion or how much the other person is going to get because of fees, etc. You can then go ahead and select how you want to pay. So if direct debit is set, you can do that. You can also go ahead and change it right here to another one. So there's direct debit, e-transfer, debit card, credit card, etc. I'll just keep it at direct debit for this example. Then where it says arrives by, you can also schedule the transaction as well by selecting a date. I will just keep it for now. Then at the bottom, it'll show you the fees included. And if you want to go ahead and add the recipient that you want to send it to, you can then press add recipient, which I will do right now. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and add people near and far. So you can search people, add the details, and then it's uploaded, and then you can send money that way by pressing on add recipient. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to send money to people on Wise. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.